Hello, we just wanted to show you our A-frame tarp design. My son and I were messing around today with the tarp, and we thought that this was a pretty neat idea, so we thought we'd show it to you. This is a canvas tarp that we got from Frost River. It's their Northwoods Tarp, and as you can see, we've got a little A-frame here that we've just tied up. And the reason that we wanted to design something like this was because in a lot of tarp designs, the floor just wasn't quite big enough. You could put your gear in there, and then at night you'd end up rolling around on the dirt and stuff like that, so we wanted to have a larger floor. So this is definitely for fair weather because it's you know, fairly short. There's not a door here or anything like that, but it is really roomy. As you can see, there's plenty of room to lay down in here for, you know, more than one person or one person with a lot of gear. And it's very simple to set up. We just put one rope here just to kind of hold the A-frame up. You can see over here we've allowed some room for airflow, and we just tied the front of the tarp back. So you can untie the front and have a little bit of protection in the front, but it's not a lot. To keep it from flapping, we tied this right here to our taut line hitch, and that'll keep this from flapping if the wind starts blowing a lot. But you can undo this if you'd like to, and you tie it back to this tie out and have even more airflow if you'd like. Back here in the back, we just have one tie out, and that's to give us a little bit more room inside. We thought about using the two tie outs that are up kind of in the mid part of the tarp, but the bang for the buck really wasn't there. You didn't get a whole lot of extra room for the use, so we're just leaving them alone. You got the same airflow tie out over here, and we just thought this design was really neat. And you know what we would do probably when we go on a camp out is we throw our gear in there and put the floor back, and so we could put our chairs and stuff like that in there, and then when it's time for bed, we'll just roll it out so it's not dirty, hadn't been stepped on and everything, and hopefully have a good night's sleep. Anyway, just thought it'd be another good idea for those of us that like to camp with tarps. Thanks.